Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. For those of you who are new, I am super excited today because I'm going to be wearing knotless braids. So as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, this is a wig unit, and this unit was sent to me from Neat&SLEEK. As some of you may already know, my hair is cut into like a pixie. It's a short, relaxed style. So I can't do actual knotless braids in my hair. Well, not for now, at least maybe like 2 months from now. So in the meantime, I'm able to wear, or I have to wear a box braid or a knotless braid wig if I want to achieve this style. So this is a 13x6 lace front unit, and the length of the braids is labeled as waist length. The hair color is 1B, and the cap size that I got is a size medium. So this is the inside of the cap here. This is the top of the lace, the top of the wig. This is the very front here. It has a nice strap here as well, which I think should be excellent for wearing the wig without glue, but we will see when we continue with the installation of the wig. I see that they left out some baby hairs here along the hairline. So I'm gonna install this unit, and I'm also initially I had a wig cap underneath my wig, but it was appearing really light underneath the wig and it was showing, so I decided to take it off, and I think it looks a lot better, a lot more toned down. Okay, so I'm going to cut these significantly shorter, but I kind of want to adhere it first. So I'm going to be using the Got to Be Free Spray, and I'm just going to take it and spray along here. Look how nice and transparent that looks. They're getting a lot better when it comes to these braided wigs. This looks so good. All right, so I'm going to move on to this side now. I noticed that I have extra braid down here flapping over my ear. So I think I want to just snip this box braid right off so that it'll look more natural and so that it can lay down flat when I glue it. So I'm just going to cut it. Oh my gosh, I just cut a whole braid, guys. So Got to Be Free Spray and glue it and spray it down, just like I did the top.
Tell them it's your friend.
Show it to my friend. I'm gonna try and put some of my makeup back here because I know I wiped some off when I was trying to make the baby hairs. Realistically, I don't wear baby hairs when I have a lace wig, but I try to make them as thin as possible. I try tweezing some of the hair out and cutting it as short as possible. So hopefully it doesn't look too unrealistic. This looks so pretty. Oh my god. Let me make sure I put some over here because I know I got some.
Oh my god.
Because it looks so gorgeous. Are you crazy? Oh my god. Wow, guys. So guys, this is definitely hitting me at waist length. The braids are so super neat. I'll most likely only be wearing this wig in a middle part, which is absolutely fine. You know, I might gather it back a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this wig for the rest of the day. Thank you so much, Neat and Sleek, for sponsoring this video with this beautiful wig, beautiful knotless braid wig. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below, so if you want to purchase a unit like this, and I'm sure they have different styles, then you can do so by checking out the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.